Let's break down economic sectors and globalization in just 3 minutes. First off, imagine you're building a society from scratch. What would you need first? The very first thing you need, food and raw materials. No food, no civilization. It's as simple as that. This is the primary economic sector. It's the foundation of any society. It's all about agriculture, mining and fishing, basically getting the stuff straight from the earth. Think of it as the backbone of our existence. Once you've got your food supplies sorted, you'll want to make life more comfortable. That's where the next sector comes in. Enter the secondary economic sector. This is where the magic happens. Think factories, manufacturing and construction. It's all about turning raw materials into useful products. This is where raw materials get turned into products like forks, chairs and smartphones. Imagine a world without these essentials. Now, when you've got enough stuff, it's time for services. This is where things get interesting. Restaurants, software, advertising, this is the tertiary economic sector. It's all about providing services to make life easier and more enjoyable. In wealthier countries, most people work in this sector, while in poorer countries, more folks are in the primary sector. All right, let's talk trade. It's a crucial part of the global economy. Countries trade goods they don't produce themselves. This exchange is vital for economic growth and development. This is Ullman's theory of interaction. It explains how and why trade happens between different regions. It works best when products are easy to transport and unique. And now, let's dive into globalization. The world is becoming a global village thanks to advances in transport and communication. It's amazing how connected we've become. English has become the global language, heavily influenced by the US. This has made international communication much easier. This is globalization, and it's making the world more connected. Businesses can operate across borders and people can share ideas instantly. But it wasn't always this way. Let's take a step back in time. Back in the day, European countries colonized the world, making Europe and North America the core. They dominated global trade and politics. They exploited other regions for resources and labor. This had a lasting impact on global economic structures. A prime example is the UK and India. The British Empire extracted wealth from India, shaping both economies. Since the 1980s, factories have moved to countries with lower wages. This shift has transformed global production. These semi-peripheral countries are gaining production knowledge and wealth, and they're starting to compete with core countries. It's a dynamic shift in the global economy. This is known as the global shift.